Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna look at some different wheel and tire options for my HoBao DC1. The first option I have here is some eBay beadlocks. They're really, I think, similar to the SSD Assassins, and some Duratrax Deep Woods tires. Don't pay attention to the tread in the front. I only have one pair right now, so I wasn't able to get the correct tread direction in the front, but really like the look. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's take a look at the other side. And the other option we have here is the another set of eBay beadlocks off that are kind of similar to the D-holes. The tires are Proline BF Goodrich crawlers, and these are asymmetrical tires, so it doesn't matter which direction they go. And last but not least, alright, now we've got another pair of eBay wheels, eBay beadlocks. They're kind of the black versions of the SSD Assassins, really similar. I also have some All-Star tires. These are the All-Star Super Swamper tires. They're similar to the Proline TSLs, the small version, not the XL. This set I don't like as much. I don't think it fills out the wheel wells as well as the other tires did, so I probably won't go with these. Alright, so after taking a look at those three combinations, I'm pretty much leaning towards going with the Duratrax Deep Woods tires with these set of beadlocks. I think they look the best, and you know, I think they'll perform really well too. I've got a Collar Innovations Deuces Wild foams in there, so it's a single stage foam. And the reason I use the single stage foam is because these Duratrax tires are pretty thin at the sidewalls, and they probably would fold over easily if it weren't for the dual stage or the single stage foams. So, but it's still soft enough, so we'll kind of have to take a look, and when I get another pair of these, since I only have a pair right now, when I get another pair, I'll go ahead and take it out and see how it performs. Thanks for watching.